Alright everybody, I'm going to try and do this as quick and straightforward as possible. We have a bifilar geometrically wound coil, 240 wraps a side. We have a torite core cut in half with 120 wraps a side. One side of the core, ferrite core, goes to this full wave bridge rectifier and then to this meter. The other side of the ferrite core goes to this full wave bridge rectifier and these Christmas lights. The power supply is a 12 volt 1 amp wall plug that goes to this watt meter here, then to this DC to DC converter, then to the drive circuit, which we can get into in another video. It's going to be pulsed from a function generator at 880 hertz, 50% duty cycle square wave at 14 volts per pulse. We're going to attempt to turn on these Christmas lights. This over here is a neon attached to a 600 volt capacitor on the secondary of this coil. So basically there's a bifilar and this is the back end. So you would think this is the back EMF that's being caught up. But this, through induction, we're going to attempt to turn on these lights. Alright, so I'm turning on the function generator now. As you can see, the function generator already shows up on the meter through the conduction of these ferrite cores. Now we're going to turn it on. The lights turn on. We're at 0.01 watts. I'm going to turn off the back lighting so you can see the Christmas lights a little better. We have the neon lighting, 43 volts on the meter. The Christmas light's about 20% lit. And we are showing how much on the meter? Nothing. 0.0 watts. Interesting. Let's turn it up a little more. Now we have the Christmas lights at about 40%. We're drawing 2.9 watts on the meter, 67 volts on this meter from the other ferrite core, and the neon is almost fully lit. Let's turn it up all the way and see what happens. Now we have the Christmas lights lit about 75%. We have 75 volts on the meter. We have a neon lit at full, which represents 90 volts. And the meter is showing 7.1 watts, give or take. Interesting. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time.